What's up, online shoppers? I have one of my favorite toilet bowl cleaning systems and I want to share it with you. I've got a brand new box. Let's open it up and I'll show you how it works. This is the Kaboom Continuous Clean Toilet Bowl Cleaning System. This is the part that holds the cleaning tablets and it clips right here on the side of your toilet. Now this is flexible, so if you have a little bit wider toilet, it is going to fit. And it comes with these two hoses, so you know that water is going to move through this, pick up the solution that's in here, and then go back into the toilet. Now the package comes with 2 sets of tabs, and altogether it should last for 6 months. 3 months on this one, 3 months on this one. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. I have taken the lid off, and these are what the tabs look like. They're just a hard composite material. It's been pressed into a tablet and you get 2 of them like that. They are going to go into this opening right here. So you just unscrew this lid and place your tabs inside the little receptacle here. Screw the lid back on. Now, something handy that you get in the box is a set of stickers that helps you to remember when it's time for your next refill. You can put it right along the top here and it will help you to remember when it's time for the next refill. Now these are called the Kaboom Continuous Clean because every time you flush the toilet, the little cleaner in here gets to work, and it does a nice job of putting a good fresh smelling detergent through the water to help keep the stains out of your bowl and to help keep your whole bathroom smelling really fresh. Now you can also buy packages of the refills, so you get this once, and then after that all you need to buy is the refill packages so that you can just keep adding them in here. I have one of these in quite a few toilets and I really like how well they work. Now one of the main ingredients in the tabs is OxiClean. That's a brand that lots of people are familiar with. It does a great job with stubborn stains and making them nice and sparkly. I am a big fan of that line of cleaning products. Now you are going to want to be careful with this because it can be corrosive, and if you get it on your fingers and then you touch your eyes, it's not going to be a good thing. So make sure when you're setting this up, as soon as you've put the tabs in here and screwed on the lid, make sure you wash your hands so that you don't forget. Another great thing, septic systems can be kind of funny sometimes, but these ones have proven to be effective for use in a septic system without causing any harm. My favorite things about the Kaboom cleaning system is that I really find it's not necessary to give a big scrub with a wand frequently. Before I put this in, I was definitely scrubbing at least once a week to get up the buildup and stains out. But with this, I really find that it does a great job of preventing the stains from building up. If you are looking for a really great continuous clean toilet bowl solution, this one here by Kaboom is awesome. It's rated to work for 6 months, super easy to install, gives your bathroom a great fresh smelling clean, and the bowls are sparkling and clean and free of any buildup, and that for me is a win all across the board. Plus, if I don't have to grab a toilet brush, I'm a happy gal. If you are looking for a solution to a stinky, messy toilet, this one here, the Kaboom Automatic Toilet Cleaning System, can definitely help you out, and it is definitely a family favorite at my house.